Okay, now Pihar's got this chance now to take this wave. It's going to be nice and tricky for him because he's got a bit of a late takeoff and he's in a very situation there that he should be able to hold that. It's not a big wave, but it's comfortable enough to bring this home and take victory. It's certainly well done for the boys from Pihar. They've now looked like being officially the European Surf Rowers Federation Open champions. Congratulations, Pihar. Up in the back here in a late takeoff in second position is the Twickenham. They've certainly, and on the far side is Team Picon, so it's a race between second, well it was a race between second and third. We've now got second. No, we have not got second. So it's a one swim run.
Vous voyez que ça n'est jamais fini, jusqu'à ce que ça soit fini, l'équipage de Twickenham s'est retourné et peu de temps après, les 5 rameurs de Mimizan sont derrière leur bateau. C'est un sport, comme ça vous le rappelle, qui est très difficile. Très difficile, très spectaculaire et vraiment magnifique à regarder.
Yeah, it's a pity Mount Maunganui, I know they couldn't sort of go in, but when you look at that happened, it was open again. But look, what a fantastic effort by the boys from Pihar. They not only led the race, they negotiated the break heading out to sea. They got through at a very strong pace, that's what it's all about. They proceeded out and they took the lead coming home. They needed to make sure they had plenty of time to take the right way. And I know Horse is a great sweep and he put them wrong, he put them straight in and he's collected the championship.
Tous les rameurs ont l'air de regagner le rivage. Vous voyez, la sécurité qui est assurée par les jet skis sont là pour s'assurer que les rameurs vont revenir à la plage tranquillement. Vous voyez un jet ski qui est en train d'aller récupérer un gars. Un des rameurs de Mimizan. Il a un petit radeau derrière lui pour éviter que le moteur mette en danger le rameur. Vous voyez, hop, il est en train de se reculer. Il refait un tour parce que le rameur n'a pas pu attraper le petit traîneau.
Okay, we've got 2 races remaining. This is going to be now the European Championships. These crews have made it through to the final. The European-based crews only. So in the women's finals, you've got Twickenham Tridents. Sorry, wrong call. This is the European Women's Championship for European-based crews. United Nations are in LE1. Nude runners are in LE2. Granadas are in LE2.